Hello there, hope you have a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up C++ with Dev CPP. Alright, so the first step you want to do is to download and install the Dev CPP. To do so, we go to Embarcadero.com. From the drop-down menu of Free Tools, we choose Dev CPP. Click Free Download. In this page, we are required to import some of our informations before we can click on Download Now to get the installation files. The installation files we will get is a zip file like this one. It might be the case that you do not want to provide any of your information. Here is another way to do it. We go to the corresponding repository of Dev CPP on GitHub. On the right hand side, we will see releases. Click on the latest version v6.3. We can download the installation files from there straight away. Make sure we download the files with the compilers, not the ones marked as no compiler. In our case, we choose this one.
Once you finish downloading the Dev CPP, go to the directories of the installation file. Open it up by double-clicking. Click Yes. Click OK. I agree. To install everything, we click on the drop-down menu, choose Full. Click Next. If we are fine with the destination folder, click Install. Alright, the installation is finished. We can click Finish to run the Dev CPP. Let's create a C++ source file. Click File, New, Source File. Now I'm going to quickly add some C++ code. Alright, we had our first C++ program. Basically, what it does is to print hello world when I run the program. Click Save. You can save the source code anywhere you want. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. Let's name it as hello. Click Save. Before I can run this program, I need to compile the source code by click the Compile button. If we see 0 errors, 0 warnings, that means the compilation is okay. And now we can run the program by click Run button, and we see hello world. Let's make some changes. Dev C++. This time, because we are pretty sure our program can be compiled and run properly, as we just changed the sub part of the string, we can click on this button, compile and run. And now it prints hello Dev C++. Alright, that's how you can set up C++ with Dev CPP. And if you find this tutorial helpful and work for you, please make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Okay, that's everything for this video, and I will see you in the next one.